Fix Instagram post. Limit. Upload 20 photos in Instagram. First thing that we'll do is to open the App Store or the Google Play Store and then open Instagram in here. Make sure that your Instagram application is fully updated to the latest version. If you see this update option, then tap on it and then wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of Instagram is installed on your device. If you update Instagram and are still limited to 10 photos, then maybe a bug or glitch is causing the problem. We can solve this problem by opening the settings. After that, navigate over to the General section. Find the iPhone storage option. If you're using an Android device, then find the Apps section. Locate Instagram and clear the cache files as well as the data and other things. But if you're an iPhone user and you've gotten to this iPhone storage section, then locate Instagram on this list and then open it. You will see this Offload App option. So tap on this, and this will fix the bugs and the glitches which your app may have. And those glitches may limit you to only 10 photos per post. When the app offloads, you're going to tap on the Reinstall App button and wait until the application reinstalls. If you've done these 2 steps and it still didn't fix your issue, then the third solution which I have for you is to force restart your mobile device. Force restarting an Android device varies slightly depending on the brand and model. But these are the most common methods on the list. They vary a bit, so if you don't see your device on this list and you don't know how to perform a force restart, then you'll want to find a tutorial on YouTube and you will learn how to do it. If you're an iPhone user, here is how you can do a force restart. Start by locating the volume up and volume down buttons as well as the power button on the right side. Here's the process. Press the volume up button, then the volume down button, and after that press and hold the power button. Don't let go of the power button until you see the Apple logo appear on your screen. Once the Apple logo shows up, you can let go of the power or lock button and just wait for your phone to turn back on. After these 4 fixes, you should be able to upload up to 20 photos and videos on Instagram.